Hello, and in this video I'm going to talk about how I film and a couple of my power tools and how they came to be here. So you're probably wondering already why the quality is even worse than normal. That's because I'm filming on my tablet, because this is what I normally used to film on. It's just my mobile phone. I know my quality of my movies isn't as good as some people out there, because it seems to be the GoPro is the way to go really, or a digital SLR, but my whole outlook is I want to do it on a budget. I want to keep it cheap, I don't want to spend a lot of money, it's just a bit of fun. So I use my mobile phone and I'm more than happy with it. It does exactly what I want to do and I've got no issues with it at all. Cheap tripod off eBay. I've got a smaller one which I use because I'm a motorbiker, so I use this when I go on my bike to take pictures. Simple old lamp to add a bit of light, and a selfie stick should I need it, and that's really all I use. And then to edit it, I edit it on my tablet, which is what I'm filming you on now. So let's carry on with it and I'll show you how I do the editing. Okay, here it is. I use Power Director for my editing. It's a great little program, very basic, but it does what I need it to do. Sorry about the quality. Filming this on my phone, filming the tablet. This was filmed by my friend Carl, who does Telford by Air on YouTube. Take a look, it's brilliant. This was filmed with his Phantom 4. He wasn't actually flying it in the shop, but we're using the gimbal and the great camera. It just makes for an absolutely brilliant shot. So thank you very much, Carl, for that. As you can see here, we've got sound at the bottom in the purple, and you can put little titles on. It's got lots of little features like this. It's a great little program, but as it's on a tablet, it is quite basic. You see here, you can change things around. You can add transitions between pictures. As you can see there, set fire to the workshop. And as with the same, with the titles, you can edit them as you please. You can change the font, you can basically change everything. But, it's a nice little app. It does what I need it to do. It's simple and it's quick. There we go. Hello! Pillar drum. Here's what it is. I paid £10 for this from eBay. Here's a few pictures of it being restored, because it didn't look like this when I first got it. The lathe. This one's an Axminster lathe, but I think it's a generic lathe and everybody just sticks their own sticker on it. But again, £50 off eBay, this one. Stripped it all down and restored it. Here's some pictures of me restoring this. Bandsaw. This one was actually from Lidl. £80 this one was. I think that's the most expensive tool in my workshop. It's only a little one, it's only small, but it does me absolutely fine. Again, I only make small things in my workshop, so this is all I need. Again, resprayed it because I didn't like colour. I think it was blue and grey, so I resprayed it to match the rest of the workshop. Again, here's a couple of pictures of me restoring this. Thickness planer. This one, again, eBay. This one's actually got a funny story behind it. I started bidding it on eBay because it was local, and it turned out it was a friend of mine that was selling it. Anyway, again, it used to be black and a bit scruffy, so I've stripped it down and restored it. But yeah, it is what it is. It works absolutely great. I've got no issues with it. It's not totally accurate, you know, you do have to have a little bit of a tweak with it just to set it up right, because it is very budget, but for my use it's absolutely fine and there's no issues at all. Here's a couple of pictures of me restoring it. Okay, this is the whole garage and workshop. This is where they keep the car. Then I built this partition wall really simply to keep the dust down from getting all over the car. So here's the workshop. Little bench there. Sit down and take it easy. There's all the tools. And there's the lathe, piddle drill, disc sander. As you can see there, it is actually all built from pallet wood and fence posts. This section here is the recent one I built just to put the disc sander on. I'll put some pictures up in a minute of that being built and the actual workshop being built, so you can see my process and how it was all put together. As I say, all built from pallets and fence posts. So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.